My dog is telling you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Woof.
Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking for an updated video showing you how to get Beanstalk in Grow a Garden. So this video is going to show you exactly how to go ahead and do that, guys, using a working Grow a Garden code. And this is a simple code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to supply you with the Beanstalk seeds for completely free. And this method takes just a matter of a few minutes. I found this on YouTube, but the video tutorial didn't have many views, so I thought I'd recreate the video and show my subscribers and anyone else who finds this video searching for Beanstalk seeds. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. As you can see, I've got my mobile phone, and what you're going to want to do is open up the internet browser. I'm using Safari, but it really doesn't matter which you use. And you've got to go to www.cold, so C-O-L-D, coupons, coupons.com. So just exactly like that, guys. And as you can see, it's going to take you to this web page. Now you need to go to the search bar at the top and just search for Grow a Garden, and you're looking for this page, guys, the Roblox Grow a Garden codes page. Loads of people are using this. Like I said, I did find this method on YouTube, and it's definitely the easiest way to get Beanstalk seeds in Grow a Garden, because if you scroll down on this page, as you can see, there is a code. There is loads of different codes, but this code is obviously going to supply you with 10 Beanstalk seeds. So if you click on Get Code, you can see this is going to confirm your choice. This is a Grow a Garden free Beanstalk seed code, and you're going to get 10 of them. And the Beanstalk is obviously a prismatic seed, and it is really expensive. So this is going to basically get you tons of money and just allow you to progress in the game. So you can see you need to basically unlock your Grow a Garden code. And this basically prevents people from stealing these codes, because as you can see, they are limited in number. I mean, there is a ton of them, but it does limit one of these codes per person. So you're going to see this code unlocker after you click that button. And it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks. As you can see, they're all completely free. And these are things like mobile applications and free surveys. You just need to ensure you do fully complete 2 of them and make sure you read the description. So as an example, if you don't have TikTok, you can literally just download TikTok and open it up for 30 seconds. This is a really easy one. Obviously, if you already have TikTok, you can't do that one. But yeah, really easy, guys. Just complete 2 tasks. It'll take about 5 minutes. And if you do everything correctly, your Grow a Garden code will be fully revealed here, and you can enter it in game. And that is how to get Beanstalk in Grow a Garden. And yeah, this is basically going to get you 10 Beanstalk seeds for completely free. Go to Cold Coupons, guys. Any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. If I helped you get your Beanstalk seeds, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.